Hey guys, today I'll show you a cheaper method to repair your air locker's airline. Let's get this thing started. Here's a little bit of background information. This video is part of the trail damage repair series, and specifically, this is part of the easier motor mount replacement which I shot a while ago, and I will link that video down in the description below. So long story short, the motor mount basically blew out in the trail, and as the motor was bouncing along with the diff, there was a pinch point where that airline was routed, and it caused the airline to be pinched and ruptured. So that basically made my front air locker to stop working. So there's that tubing, guys. It looks like yeah, it really did a number there. That was definitely done with the motor smashing into the front diff there. Not exactly good. So I'm testing out an idea, guys. This is the ferrule that came with the ARB air locker. As you can see, it's a very special shape. I can't find this on Amazon, and if I buy it as a specialty purchase from some of these off-road companies, I mean, they sell this thing for like $3, which is not bad, just for one ferrule, but it's like $25 for shipping. I'm not about to pay $25 for shipping this little piece. So I found these ferrules on Amazon. I'll link these down below, and they have roughly the same dimensions. The way these ferrules work is basically they go over the hose and they get crushed, and it forms around the tubing as it's permanently squished. So I'm going to test out this idea. See, this two-piece design is roughly the same in dimension, so we'll test that out. And a pack of, I think it was like 3 sets of this, was only like $4, so plus free shipping. So I figured, hey, why not? In the future with harder wheeling, I'm sure I'm gonna damage this thing again, so I'm not about to spend like $40, $60 on replacement ferrules. In order to mount this, I'm going to take my, I guess this is the nut on the opposite end. Then you just put the ferrules through the tubing like that. Come on, baby. Oh, it's like getting stuck a little bit there. Alright, a little bit tight, but it still works. I get it basically pushed back as far as that other ferrule is. There. I think that's close enough. Push that forward, and as you can see, it's so close, it's not even funny. So I temporarily hooked up the opposite side onto the air system. Let's look underneath to make sure she ain't leaking. Oh yeah, good to go. Now to wrap this video up, I did do the final routing for that airline a little bit further forward, away from that really tight pinch point. So I am curious, if you guys have a front air locker, how did you route yours? So please leave that in the comment section below. So that's it for today's video, guys. And make sure you check out our latest mod for the 2nd gen Tacoma, which is this overhead dome light system. And until next time, peace out everybody.